Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yet again, your answers do not have to match mine because this is an open ended question. But make sure your answers should be relevant and the spellings are correct. Now, today's BLIFT is extremely interesting. Why? Because we will be understanding bubble speech. We are going to understand how many types of bubble speeches are there and how to fill them up. Now, just look at this slide. We have a slide over here, and there is a mouse and a cat and a bubble speech right above it. Don't you think they are flat and they sound like a robots and there is zero emotions? So yes, this speech bubble is not correctly filled. We need to understand if we have to put emotions, what kind of emotion should be there, because we need to understand the character personality. So what are the things we need to understand before filling it up? The most important things, where are we and what is happening? Then what does the character want? You have to show feelings without words. Now, this is the most important thing. How to do that without writing the feeling words, how to show your emotion and choose the right vocabulary for the mood. Got it? Now, making characters sound like themselves, not like a robot. So, what we are doing, we are writing a dialogue. We are not writing any formal situation over here. Now fix this up. This is very boring plain slide. What we have to do, we have to choose an appropriate dialogue, not a sentence. Make sure dialogue for the appropriate character. Now what is this? This is a kitchen. What is happening? This small mouse called Barnaby is too small to reach the food high up on the top of the refrigerator. Now look at this cat. This cat is sleepy. Z means it is sleepy. Correct? So now we have understood what is going on in the picture. Now let's do it. What does the Barnabas want? He wants to persuade who? Whiskers. Whiskers, the cat, to help him. So he is ambitious. He wants to do something. But on the other hand, the whisker refuses to help because he is sleepy. He wanted to take a nap. So he is an active participant and he is a passive one and sleepy or drowsy or wanted to take a nap. Now the most important part, I told you not to write feeling words, but you have to show emotions. How can we do that? We can do that by using an appropriate bubble speech. If it is plain or smooth like an oval, it means it shows normal, calm talking. Got it? So if it is a fluffy cloud, it shows thinking or dreaming, not talking out a lot. If it is spiky, it has spikes, it means shows shouting, anger, or loud surprise. If it is wobbly, the lines are not straight, it means it shows fear, being cold, or feeling weak. So this is how we tell the emotions of the speaker by changing the shape of the bubble speech. This is a very important part of the bubble speech. Now, excuse me, Whiskers, could you help me please? This is a very calm talking. That's why we have used plain bubble speech. Whiskers, wake up, I need a lift now. Again, very plain talking. That's why we have used smooth line bubble speech. Now here, when the things got dramatic, get up, you lazy furball, boost me. So here, the rat has become very annoyed or angry. So this is how we have shown his anger in the spiky bubble speech. Now, we have seen the cat. The cat is not formal, it is very lazy and does not want to work or help the rat. So what do you think? should we choose these dialogues or these one? I think these one, because Whiskers or the cat is very lazy and it has its own attitude. So I believe this vocabulary is casual and cool and suits the personality of the cat. So this is the right way of doing it. He is annoyed and angry. That's why we have used the spiky bubble speech. And in the next slide, or for the cat bubble speech, we have used the smooth one. So this is how we express the emotions of the character if we do not want to show the emotional or use the emotional words. So this is the right way of doing it. Why we have used the wobbly? Because he is not feeling well and he's afraid or annoyed with the situation the cat has done. So this is the right way of doing it, and we call it the masterpiece. Now this is what you have to do after understanding of the format. This is your focus. You have to do it in the class and then go home, do your homework. I hope you have enjoyed and understood a lot of things today. See you again in the next period. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.